What if I told you that the 144 Hz monitor sitting on your desk right now is officially obsolete? And what if I told you that the replacement costs less than a pair of premium sneakers? This is the Xiaomi Redmi G25. It's got a 200 Hz refresh rate, a fast IPS panel, and display HDR 400. The price? Just about $88 in China. In a world where premium monitors cost $1,000, Xiaomi is basically declaring a democratization of technology. But is it too good to be true? Can a monitor this cheap actually handle professional eSports, or is it just marketing fluff? Today, we're diving deep into the 200 Hz revolution. First, let's talk about the size. Xiaomi positioned this at 24.5 inches. They're calling it the sweet spot between their smaller G24 and the larger G27. Why 24.5 inches? Because for pro gamers, this is the gold standard. It's big enough to see everything, but small enough that your eyes don't have to travel a mile to see the minimap. And because it's 1080p, you're getting a sharper pixel density compared to a 27-inch 1080p screen. Your games stay crisp and your frame rates stay high without needing a $2,000 GPU. The star of the show, 200 Hz. In display theory, this means a new frame every 5 milliseconds. That is a massive jump from the 6.9 milliseconds we're used to on 144 Hz panels. But refresh rate is nothing without response time. Xiaomi is claiming a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response thanks to their optimized fast IPS tech. In my testing, ghosting is nearly non-existent. It's got the adaptive sync, so whether you're on Team Green or Team Red, you're getting tear-free gaming from 48 Hz all the way up to 200 Hz. Usually, budget means terrible colors, but Xiaomi pulled one fast one on us. This thing covers 100% sRGB and a whopping 95% of the DCI-P3 gamut. That's cinematic territory, folks. Every single unit comes factory calibrated with a delta E of less than 2. This means the human eye literally can't perceive the color deviation. If you're a student doing photo editing or making TikToks by day and gaming by night, this is a dual-threat weapon. Okay, let's get real. Where did they cut corners? First, the stand. It tilts, and that's it. No height adjustment, no pivot. If you want that, you'll need to use the VESA 75x75 mount on the back. Second, ports. You get one DisplayPort 1.4, one HDMI 2.0, and a headphone jack. No USB hub and definitely no built-in speakers. But honestly, at this price point, I'd rather have a better panel than mediocre speakers anyway. The Redmi G25 is a warning shot to the rest of the industry. By putting a 400 nit, 200 Hz color-accurate panel in a sub-$100 body, Xiaomi just made 144 Hz monitors look like ancient history. If you're in Vietnam, you're looking at around 2.5 to 3 million VND. In the US, if you can find an importer, this is the best performance per dollar you can buy in early 2026. So, is it the new king of entry-level gaming? Absolutely. But what do you think? Would you trust a $90 monitor with your eSports rank? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll see you in the next one.